And the winner is Collins Aerospace, SkyNook.
This is such a huge honor. Thank you very much. There's so many people to thank. The team that's here in Hamburg, the team that's back home, and just keep innovating. Thank you very much.
The jury selected this concept for transforming previously unusable cabin space into flexible value-generating area that enhances passenger comfort and airline revenue potential. It addresses real passenger and operational pain points, including families traveling with toddlers, by improving underutilized economy class zones. The solution is practical, quickly implementable, and adaptable, turning unused space into desirable seating with clear multi-purpose benefits.
It is so exciting. It's just coming to this event and having this opportunity to be with peers and seeing the things that we're doing together as in innovation groups. It's really amazing.